Hey there. Have you ever felt like someone is tracking your every move? Well, it's not just a feeling anymore. There might be someone tracking you with a little device. But don't worry, we're not here to scare you. In fact, we're here to give you all of the juicy details about one of the most fascinating little gadgets out there, the Apple AirTag. This small coin-shaped device is more than just a way to keep track of your keys and wallet. It's packed with technology and secrets that you may have never even thought about. And in this video, we're going to uncover all of them for you. But there's one question that might be on your mind right now. Can someone use AirTag to track you without your knowledge? Well, we're going to answer that question and more. So buckle up, grab your popcorn, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about the Apple AirTag, including how it shares location data without any GPS and internet connectivity. You are watching your favorite animation treasury, and let's jump right in. Let's begin by exploring this secret treasury from Apple. The Apple AirTag is equipped with a Panasonic 3-volt replaceable battery that can last for a full orbit around the sun. So, whether you're tracking your keys or your furry friend, you won't have to worry about constantly replacing the battery in this little champ. Now, let's take a closer look at the magic that makes Apple AirTag work. A printed circuit board, or PCB, that is like a co-working space of capacitors, antennas, and controllers. This PCB is where all the action happens. One of the key components you'll find on this board is the Apple U1 chip, a tiny but mighty piece of silicon that is equipped with ultra-wideband technology for spatial awareness. This technology enables the AirTag to locate other U1-equipped Apple devices with incredible precision. And guess what? In the Apple segment, this technology is only available on Apple's iPhone 11 or later versions. Here, you'll see the antenna for ultra-wideband technology on the side of this plastic shell. Now, the second biggest chip you can see on the motherboard is Nordic Semiconductor's N52832 System-on-Chip, also known as SoC. This impressive piece of technology allows the AirTag to communicate with other devices via Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, and Near Field Communication, or NFC. Bluetooth Low Energy is a wireless communication technology designed for low-power devices like AirTag. With BLE, AirTag can connect to nearby devices and transmit location data for precise location tracking. BLE is also used to communicate with Apple devices and can be used to play a sound on the AirTag that helps to locate a lost tag. Near Field Communication, NFC, is another wireless technology used in AirTag. It allows AirTag to communicate with NFC-enabled devices such as iPhones and iPads. This enables users to access AirTag's location data quickly and easily by simply tapping the AirTag with their device. To facilitate these wireless connections, the AirTag has an antenna for the NFC located at the bottom of its plastic shells, while the antenna for the BLE can be found on the side, making it easy to connect with other devices. Overall, a combination of the N52832, BLE, and NFC in the AirTag makes a powerful trio, similar to the dynamic Batman, Robin, and Alfred. Before we move forward, I want to share with you that this is my first video and was a labor of love that took me over 150 hours of research, 3D modeling, animation, and editing. Your support means everything to us, so please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. Since the channel is not monetized yet, if you're really enjoying this video and want to support us as new creators, consider becoming a Patreon. Your support will help us keep creating high-quality content like this. Back to the topic. Next, there's DC to DC buck converter that regulates the output voltage. On the back side of the PCB, we can spot 100 microfarads electrolytic capacitors in a group of 5. Nestled in the middle part is the Bosch BMA 280, a 3-axis accelerometer that helps to improve the accuracy of location data and also helps in other functions such as activating sleep mode when the device is not in motion, which results in an extended battery life. Let's move on to the next component, the voice coil. It was glued to the outer plastic shell and acts as a diaphragm. When the coil is energized, it moves back and forth due to the fixed magnet, producing sound and acting as the speaker that helps users to find their AirTag more easily. Now, let's understand how it actually works. When you attach AirTag with an item that you don't want to lose, such as a set of keys, it uses the Find My network to communicate with nearby Apple devices, such as iPhones and iPads. The AirTag sends out a Bluetooth signal using BLE that is picked up by nearby Apple devices and then relayed to the Find My network. The Find My network then uses the location data from the devices to determine the approximate location of the AirTag and show you on the map. Since AirTag uses nearby devices to connect with a Find My network, that's why AirTag doesn't need any direct internet connectivity or GPS system. And that also becomes a disadvantage of AirTag, because staying surrounded by Apple devices is not possible in the rural or low population areas. So that's a downside of Apple AirTag. But what about the fear of someone using the AirTag to track you without your knowledge? Since it's a very small device that anyone could easily put on your purse, bag, or car to track you. But don't worry, if an AirTag is detected to be moving with a person who does not own it for an extended period of time, it will start emitting a sound and the person will get notified on their phone to alert them. So there you have it, the Apple AirTag and the incredible technology behind this little champ. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.